This is the side of the Toys R Us building, and there's an alarm going off inside of the building right now. I called the alarm company, and the alarm company gave me a bullshit menu option, so I ended up hanging up because the automated service kept going on and on about winning a free gift. So I hung up and called the police department, and within 5 minutes there was a cop over here, and all he did was drive around the building really slowly and leave. And it's 2 hours later and the alarm is still going off.